What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Clay here, tapping in with you. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Man, Bitcoin still trying to get above that 20, what is it, like 23,400, 23,500? Still trying to do it. Let's check out the heat map, the 200-week moving average heat map. Let's zoom in on this. You know how I like to show this one. Look at this here. Getting so close. Getting so close to that 200-week moving average. Look at that. Right now, the 200-week moving average is sitting at 24,779. And you know, for the last few videos, I've been saying we need to rip above that bad boy. I want to see it rip. Come on, give me a rip above that. Rip it down like a bong rip. And then hopefully we'll retest it and prove it as support. That's what I want to see. Come on, give me like 2 proofs of support and a zinger, and then we can all relax. You know what I mean? But my fear, guys, is what's gonna happen is we're gonna get near there, which we kind of already have, and reject. You know what I mean? And that's not good. That and anyone who's a bull, you know, anyone who's a bull might be a little upset. Okay, I know how the Moon Boys get, and some of the OG traders out there, I agree with what they're saying right now. They're like, the bullish sentiment in the market right now it's like Bitcoin's at 69,000 again. Like that's the sentiment. Like we're everyone's talking about price predictions now, like 280,000, 120,000. It's coming. You know what I mean? Like, dude, we are months away from that. Okay, months away from that. Ethereum sitting at 1,653, maybe even years away from that, guys. Okay, XRP at 41 cents, and then these people that are saying XRP is going to go to 10 grand or $115,000, or I think that's one I saw. Moon Lambo, he talked about one that was crazy, like 112,000, 115,000 prediction. Guys, let's get through $1 first, okay? Let's get to $10. Let's finish the lawsuit with Ripple, okay? And then, let's see the dynamic change. We haven't even got any real regulatory clarity. Okay, we're just so early, guys. Okay, super early, and it is the Wild West, and that's why we got the pioneer hat. Okay, there are already people out there who are crypto cowboys of crypto and all this and yada yada yada. I don't really watch their shit. I'm not a cowboy, I'm a Western man. I'm the pioneer, I'm the gold miner. Okay, so we got Doge at 0.09. We got Matic at $1.20. We got DAI at $1. That's good to see. You catch my joke? Oh, that's good. All right. Yeah, Litecoin just below $100. Atom still making some moves. Cosmos at $14.43. Okay, guys. So let's go look at Bitcoin. And one thing that has me worried, you know what I mean, is I try to keep an open mind. I try not to, like, even though I'm long-term bullish. I'm long-term bullish, like psychopath level of bullish. Right? But in the short term, you know, uh I think we're in for a dip because let's see, we're on the week here. This is the Bitcoin chart. We're on the week Bitcoin chart, and I got that NVT pulled up down here. And look, we've gone red, and we're starting to dip down, and we can see that pattern again and again, and it always returns to that orange signal line right there. And so, I mean, it's typical to see a dip, okay, in this time. And like, even if you go further back to the month chart as well, we've peaked. Now, that doesn't mean we can't do like a double top like it did back here, okay? Do a double top and see a launch Nachi, and then test back down to that orange line. So this kind of thing just has me weary in what I would consider the short term, which is a couple weeks and months, okay? I know right now we got that full moon energy coming in. Uh, Wolfpack, Waters Above Crypto, shout out. He's the one who put it on everyone's radar that the moon phases seem to have a correlation with the Bitcoin price. Okay. And we are in that full moon energy. So we got bearish energy, right? And in the new moon, we got bullish energy. Now you can't use it, unfortunately, as like a key indicator for trading. Okay. You have to use other indicators alongside it. Okay. That's the mistake people are making. Don't just follow the moon phases by themselves. They're more of like, it's like it's telling you the nature of the energy at that time. Okay. That's more what it's trying to suggest. Okay. And we can talk about that in another video, or you can look back at my older videos. H bar, bullish on H bar. You know that. And you know, I've been trying to pick up some more H bar. And if I pull this fib from our all-time low and I pull it to the top, our recent top, okay. See, we're in the day chart. Yes, sir. Okay, and we are just chopping in the 0.382. Okay, this yellow box, we're just chopping in there. And what have we said before? The fractal likes to return to the 0.618. Now it doesn't have to. It can build on, you know, depending on what's going on in the market. But you know, I'm not a TA expert here. This is crude TA. This is just like some guy on the internet trying to teach himself TA. But I don't see why it couldn't retest the 0.618 or at least the 0.5, right? Right? Even, or, you know, it would make sense to me that it would, especially after a move like this. Why wouldn't it? Okay. Now check this out. This one got me. I remember a video or two ago, I talked about I wanted to enter a position into Alliance block, you know, and I'm glad I didn't, because it was like 10 and 11 cents. And unfortunately, look at it. It's on the year, it's 94.6% down. Okay. And now I've been trying to follow their Twitter closely. Okay. Here's their announcement. There has been a recent incident involving several ALBT troves, bonk, is that how you say it? With the attacker gaining access to around 110 million ALBT. The incident is isolated to these troves. None of our smart contract was breached. The Alliance block and bonk teams, including all connected partners, are now in the process of removing the liquidity and are halting all exchange trading. We have paused all activity on Alliance block bridge in the meantime. The next is taking a snapshot just before the attack, followed by working on a solution for all affected users from the moment of the snapshot. This includes minting a new ALBT token and airdropping to the addresses in the snapshot. Fascinating. Any addresses trading. This both includes buying and selling. After this announcement will be excluded from the mentioned compensation scheme. We will share any information as we go, and we encourage our community to avoid speculation. That's the thing I like. We will share more information as we go, and we will encourage our community to avoid speculation. So people are like, sell your lines block, it's dead, they're gonna fork it, you know what I mean? No, dude, it was only a DeFi bridge that was hacked. They didn't affect the main technology, the main network. Okay, these are just bridges, and there's very smart people behind Alliance block, and they have a lot of deep partnerships. And this a chart here just to check it out. I mean, look at that, look at this dump. Let's get rid of this. I mean, look at this dump on the day chart. I mean, deep down Charlie Brown. Just a lot of good fundamentals with Alliance block. Maybe I can make a more in-depth video. Um, there's plenty of content out there. I like listening to King Solomon's older videos about Alliance block and their deep connections, right? And I wanted to point out, okay, they didn't affect the network directly, okay? Just DeFi bridges. How often do we hear about a stupid DeFi bridge hack? All the fucking time, right? And I wanted to point out, don't forget about Ethereum Classic. They had a full 51% attack, okay, and a double spend, okay, back in July of 2020. Right, let's look at that at the chart. I mean, and it dipped down to $5 and lower, and not long after that, we had a fat rip during the next cycle peak around, you know, with Bitcoin and the halving, and we hit $168 after that, and that was a full 51% attack. You know, just in my opinion, completely lost my trust in the network. Right, I'm not going to put my money in a network that can be 51% attacked and has been. Right, no thank you. uh cool for anyone who's made money on the trade. You know, bravo to you guys. Sorry for anyone who lost money or lost anything in the Alliance block bridge hack. Best of luck to you. It looks like they are sorting it out, you know, by doing a network snapshot and then giving you your stuff back, which is kind of interesting how they're able to pull this off. You know what I mean? Can't wait to learn more about the process, honestly, in a technological sense. Anyways, this is Crypto Clay tapping out. Peace and love.